Here, in question number 10.15, write the mechanism of the following reaction. NBuBr plus KCN in presence of ethanol water NBuCN is formed. So in this reaction, this is substitution reaction where Br is converted to or Br is replaced by CN group. So first of all, we are trying to see that what kind of compound is given to us. So here NBuBr, that means it is CH3, CH2, CH2, normal butyl bromide. So normal butyl bromide is 1-bromobutane. 1-bromobutane, that means it is the primary alkyl halide. And it is when reacting with KCN, Br is replaced by Cn and the product formed is CH3, CH2, 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 Cn. This compound is propyl nitrile, propane nitrile, or it is butyl cyanide or cyanobutane. Any name we can give. When it is not the question of IUPAC naming, then we can write the byproduct as KBr. Now, when it is a question of primary alkyl halide, then we can expect SN2 mechanism. And KCN, what happens to KCN? KCN is actually giving K plus ion and Cn minus ion. This Cn minus ion we can keep inside the bracket. It is because it is a resonance hybrid of two contributing structures. Attack is taking place through carbon or through nitrogen. If attack is taking place through carbon, then cyano compound is formed. And if the attack is taking place through nitrogen, then isocyano compounds are formed. And here in this particular case, we are getting the CN compound, that is attack is taking place through carbon, because carbon-carbon bond is stronger than carbon-nitrogen bond. So now come to mechanism of the reaction. In the reaction mechanism, we have to draw the three-dimensional structure, and one by one we are trying to understand that how the attack is taking place. So first we are writing the Cn, and here carbon is having the negative charge. And after that, the second molecule is carbon. It is this carbon which is containing bromine. So this bromine and the whole C3H7 propyl group is attached to this carbon, and all are in one plane, and one hydrogen is above the plane, that we can make it like this. This is above the plane, this is one hydrogen, and one hydrogen is below the plane. So that we can make like this. So this is tetrahedral structure of normal butyl bromide. After that, what happens? In the next step, transition state, and that transition state is highly unstable state and high energetic state. And here one bond is bromine is leaving, so that we can show like a dotted line and elongated slightly because this CBr bond is breaking. So breaking of the bond and making of the bond is taking place simultaneously. So making of the bond is by this carbon nitrogen bond. Here CN and making of the bond is taking place. Here C3H7 and one bond which is above the plane having hydrogen, and one bond which is below the plane is another hydrogen. And this whole should be inside the bracket. And this is high energy state, and you can say it is transition state. And this is highly unstable, and immediately CBr bond is broken, bromine is leaving, and CC bond, cyanide bond is formed, and the compound is carbon with C3H7. One is below the plane, hydrogen, another is above the plane, another hydrogen, and one CN bond is formed. And second compound is Br minus, which is the leaving group. So this compound is normal butyl. This compound we can write as this is normal butyl cyanide, that is the product, cyanide, and this is by SN2 mechanism, that is substitution nucleophilic bimolecular. In one step only reaction is taking place and two molecules are present here for this step, and that is why it is bimolecular. This is first step is only the rate determining step. And next important thing is how the attack of Cn minus is taking place. It is through carbon, and attack is taking place from here to this carbon. This approach of Cn is easier if it is primary, and if it is secondary or tertiary, then this approach will be quite difficult. That is why SN2 is the only mechanism by that this reaction is taking place. And this is the mechanism of the reaction.